When was the last time I rode a skate park? Like I actually had a session? Not for a long time. I've been kind of sketched out about trying to go hard in the skate park just because I've been feeling better with that whole back injury. I'd rather just ride flat than to risk not riding at all, and that's kind of why I haven't been in the park in so long. But I'm feeling really good. That's why we're here. And there's a few things that I want to try today. Before, when I used to go to the skate park, I always try to connect different obstacles and try to connect different obstacles. You know what I'm saying? Like in one combo. There's a combo that I had in my head before I got here that I really want to try, and it's a long combo, but it's something I've never done before, and hopefully we can pull it off. Before we try that, I definitely want to warm up and try to at least get a feel for skate parks again. Cool, right? That was sick. Not even the hang 10. Imagine if I rode like that, if I was that kind of person, going like this and yeah, and screaming and doing all that weird stuff. There's some people who do it. If anything, it's exciting, it brings the energy. If I had to pick one thing to ride forever, it would be this mani pad. The one that's on the floor right there. Perfect setup. If I had to build something to have in my house, I'd probably build something like that. Like a nice little mani pad, good coping, wide enough, not too wide, with a little rail on top. Is perfect. I want to ride that a little bit more and do some combos, some Smith grinds, some Smith nose manuals, kind of stuff like that, and work my way into doing this long combo that I dreamed of. I daydreamed of this combo before I got here. It's like, oh man, that'd be sick. I was warming up on this, I think would help, because I'm gonna need a lot of strength and a lot of focus, and I need to be steady. If I'm not steady, I'm gonna not have enough speed, strength, or stamina to finish this long combo that I want to do. Never hurt your back. A word of advice. Such a long process, mentally more than anything. Not physically too, but just mentally. Right now I feel good physically, but a lot of confidence kind of got sliced in half just because I'm like, oh, I don't know, should I try this? And even that nose manual drop manual, doing drop manuals is a lot of force on your lower back. I was like, maybe I should try it, because if I can survive that and it doesn't hurt, then it's a good sign. Tight, felt a little tight, but no pain, so we're good. I think we're just gonna get straight into that combo. I think if I just do it and get it over with, instead of building up suspense and making myself anxious, because like, man, if I don't do it, then it's kind of the whole purpose of this video, then I don't have a video. So I'm just gonna strap on the Insta360 X3. It's the camera I've been using all the time for point of view footage. It's way better than the GoPro stuff I used to use. Not saying GoPro's bad, but you could just see so much better. You'll see. The point of view on this camera is incredible. You see how far you can see? And then you just bring it back and then out and then back and then out. You never miss a shot. So the trick that I'm thinking, or have been thinking, and I just want to do it and get it over with, or not do it and have no video, is a feeble on this, come from the bank, feeble on this, to drop manual, to 180 fakie manual. Basically stop right here in manual, do a bar spin, hopefully, then drop manual down this bank. Keep manualing up this quarter pipe all the way to the mani pad, and once I get here, I'm gonna feeble, drop manual again, figure out where is a good time to stop, and then pull back after I stop, fakie manual from a dead stop, and then whip. It's kind of what I want to do. Long combo, not a lot of big tricks in it, but you'll see. If you try a long combo and you want to do a whip at the end after a fakie manual, you're gonna see how hard this is. All right, let's just give it a try. Wish me luck, and I hope you guys are watching these videos daily. I'm going back to daily uploads. I used to be a daily vlogger when I first started the channel, and kind of backed away as videos did better, but now I'm just like, you know what? I have the time, I want to push myself, I'm feeling good. Daily uploads. Every single day around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm gonna have a long video, and then around 11 a.m. I'll have a short. So basically 2 uploads a day. Never did that before. All right, imagine if it's first try. Imagine. You know what I'm saying? Like, just imagine. Like, really imagine. Yep, I told you to imagine only. Damn it, that is a lot of work. Come on. Get out of here. Yes. Third try, what the hell? Some of the other tricks I was doing with the warm-up before were more tries than that. And just to give you guys about why I really want to do this trick is mainly because a regular manual is a lot of strain on your lower back. So in the past few months, I stopped doing regular manuals. Flatland stuff, peg stuff, it's not as bad on your back because you're using more of your legs and your core. But straight manual, you are sitting and you're in this curled position that has just been shook for the last 4 months. It's like, you know what, I'm feeling good. If I can manage this, if I can manage a long manual, I mean the fakie manuals, we're on the path to success. Oh, that feels good. I have chills right now. I have chills just because maybe that's not the most amazing trick you've ever seen me do, but I have chills that I was able to do that entire line with no pain. And third try. Did a third freaking try. That's sick. I'm currently exploring. I was driving home and I saw some canopy looking thing on the side of the road. So I'm gonna check that out. Looks like it could be a flat spot or absolutely nothing. I guess nothing. I mean, we have this floor right here. We can try something. There's a trick I've been trying to do and I've done it before. We're just not too good at pumping it. It's backyard glide. I just don't have enough power to really pump the trick, and I think I got it.
Sorry, was I like talking while you're trying to film something?
No, I could always put music on top of something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you capture everything I was saying? Because I didn't see that you were over here.
Probably not, because I have a special mic that it only gets like what's in front of the camera.
All right, I'm trusting you.
If you said something secretive, now I'm interested. I wouldn't post it, but I'm just curious now, you know? You can tell me off camera. I think the cherry on top of this video, after doing the trick in the skate park, is to just land that. I'm not getting in right now just because I don't have too much room, and I just want to concentrate on the pump. Anytime I'm trying to learn a trick, I always break it up in pieces. So I'm definitely going to do the pump and then land. And so just backyard glide, try to at least get 2 or 3 pumps, and then figure out to bring the, I think I'm going to have the body varial out of it, and that's the only way to exit this trick. What the hell? The landing was crazy. I've been running for 20 years. To this day, I realize that there's still so much to learn. There's so much to learn, especially with flatland. If you guys want to see more skate park footage, please leave that comment down below. Motivate me, get me hyped up to go to the skate park. I'm just gonna play it smart though. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. I wanna make sure that I take my time and take care of my health, because it's number one. I want to be able to ride, period, rather than not ride at all. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily videos. Uploading 2 videos a day. So it's 2 uploads a day. So I'm a double daily vlogger. I'll see you then.